Hey. Here, I'm here. Day 24, Godot. My day 24 in Godot engine. Maybe yours, I don't know. Okay, so stream, live recording, rehearsal, transmission session from Studio Lab Toga, my place. Can I go here just for some, I don't know, sake of better, proper presentation? What's gonna happen? I don't know. If you're first time here, you better check the end of the stream of the video. In the last chapter, the summary. We'll all know what happens over there. During these streams, I just go along, whatever gets my attention, but with intent to learn and exercise like some, I don't know, standardized coding practice. And I'm still shy from code here, GD script. I'm not using anything else at the moment. Just vanilla Godot on Windows, yeah. So, did I point out for you guys watching the recording? See at the end again, I repeat, check for the summary so you know right away what's in the video actually, because it will be lengthy. I do this around, I don't know, half hour, 40 minutes, an hour segments, and then I mark the chapter, take a short break, couple minutes, and jump into the next chapter. That's how I keep that format for the sake of, I don't know, sanity, efficiency. Also, when I get the time, I also trim off the summary as a standalone episode and make it available like that. And the rest of the stream I chop up into segments, into standalone episodes, and publish them, embed them in my website. And I encourage you to support your guy Eddy. Yeah, Eddy, that's me. Mali Vir Eddy, your host, who loves you the most. So jump on my website, you can find there a section support, how to, I don't know, help this thing grow. I need you, we need us to, I don't know, create this weird learning course. I grab off the offline, from online I grab compile knowledge. There is quite a lot of like a abstract or plastic bits of Godot engine to learn about. And now I need to tend to my live aspect of the show. This is multi-streamed, and I have two more bits to grab for my backend dashboard that you usually can see over here like this. Yep. And I check around to make sure that everything is working. I need this thing from Trovo, the alerts and chats. And actual so-called dashboard. Anybody on Trovo anybody had any thoughts about Trovo, experience with that? What's going on with them? Is this how it's supposed to be? The, I don't know, chat spamming itself with unrelated, I don't know, what's it for? DLive needs to work out their responsive layout for the web page. Oh, where am I? Okay, just put this in place, the last bit. This section or this chapter I usually mark as warm-up intro. Actually contents, like I do announce the basic idea concept. So what's the basic idea here for Godot? I'm interested in the dynamic asset loading, let's say, instantiating dynamically in runtime. I'm curious about two things like loading. Is it possible to add a scene in runtime? So if I in the editor create a scene, can I grab it in runtime, like just do the refresh project while it's running, or just scan the file system in the project scope to enable like skinning, adding skins? I don't think that's possible, but also I think it's possible. There are some restrictions over there. I think I have everything here. No, I've got the two of the same of these. Oh, here's the chat of this thing. Where do these guys hire? Where do they get their developers and then open the service to public? Well, thank you. Thanks DLive, thanks Trovo, thanks Kick, thanks Twitch, thanks YouTube for your half booty service. Am I hot? Yeah. Let's go here.